Today we're blowing up my childhood treehouse. It used to look like this, but now it looks like that. You know, they wanted to just tear it down and get rid of it, but I thought might as well make it a little bit more memorable and load it up with some non-flammable explosives. But for starters, we have Mr. White over here, Mr. White, and we're gonna put a pound of the stuff in him and send him to teddy bear heaven. He's lived a long life, but all good things must come to an end. Ready? Yep. Oh my God. Yeah.
Every last piece of fluff has to be in a garbage bag.
I brought one. No! Broke the leg. That was crazy. No. Oh. What do you think of that? Bizarre, man. Damn. Nothing but the head. That's sad, bro. I'm sorry, bear. Well, the bear is no longer with us, unfortunately, but it went out in a glorious explosion. I was not expecting that. But we're gonna go situate the treehouse.
Can't believe there's 2 stories to this thing.
I know, this thing was epic. Back in the day, bro. One last hoorah.
Probably shouldn't be standing over there.
Yep. Derek's upset about Mr. White still.
Okay, no, you know.
He's in a better place.
The good thing is his head spun around like 5 times, so when I just think about that, it just makes it better. It's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's worth a shot. The results may be explosive.
1. Damn.
Oh, wow. Oh my God.
It blew the whole side up.
It took that out. Oh my God, dude. The support is gone, so it's just hitting the tree there. I bet this whole backside will collapse.
Oh yeah. Two. 1.
No!
Oh yes.
Holy
shit. No, we knew what we had to do.
Look at that! That whole piece.
Oh. Damn, that was... I missed first shot.
Missed first shot. That's alright though. Hey.
What's up? Well, the thing that I built with pride, that makes me sad.
It was already falling down.
Yeah.
No way, it all fell. Yeah, you saw in the last clip, it was just like caved in, did the job, but then we're inside, Derek saw it, went crunch, and the rest of it just fell in on itself.
I'll make it easier for the bonfire.
Speak it for the thumbnail.
Oh shit.
Nobody should try and do this themselves. It can definitely be extremely dangerous, but if you take the proper steps and are responsible and careful, then it's safe. So. This video was actually made by Unreal Engine 5. It was entirely CGI, completely fake. Alright.